Configuring EveryDollar savings goals is a straightforward process that helps you manage your finances effectively. To start, log into your EveryDollar account and navigate to the Savings Goals section. First, you need to determine what you want to save for, such as a vacation, emergency fund, or a big purchase. EveryDollar allows you to create multiple savings goals, so you can prioritize and track each goal separately. Next, click on the Add a Goal button and enter the name and target amount of your savings goal. You can also set a deadline for reaching your goal, which will help you stay on track and motivated. EveryDollar also allows you to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings goal. This way, you can ensure that you save a fixed amount regularly, without having to think about it. To do this, link your checking account to your EveryDollar account and set up a recurring transfer. You can choose the frequency and amount of the transfer, and EveryDollar will take care of the rest. Another important feature of EveryDollar savings goals is the ability to track your progress. The platform provides a visual representation of your progress, so you can see how close you are to reaching your goal. You can also adjust your savings goal at any time, if your financial situation changes or if you want to prioritize a different goal. Best practices for configuring EveryDollar savings goals include setting realistic targets, prioritizing your goals, and tracking your progress regularly. It is also important to review and adjust your goals periodically, to ensure that you are on track to meet your financial objectives. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively configure your EveryDollar savings goals and achieve financial success. EveryDollar is a powerful tool that can help you manage your finances and reach your savings goals. And with a little practice, you can become an expert in using it to achieve financial stability and security.